So, my dear students, welcome back to the class. A very good morning to all of you. So, today's topic for the chapter is about the art of propaganda. Means the Nazi were very effective in creating hatred for Jews. है ना? So, how they were really very effective in creating a hatred for Jews. That is the discussion point today. How एंड वाई दे वर वेरी इफेक्टिव इन क्रिएटिंग, वो लोग नफरत फैलाने में ज्यूज के खिलाफ क्यों कामयाब हो गए थे. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. हाउ दे वर इफेक्टिव इन क्रिएटिंग द हेट्रेड फॉर द ज्यूज, एंड दे वर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ propaganda for them. So let us continue then. So we are going to discuss about the effective, how they were effective. Let us see. And really they were very clever, the Nazi members, the Nazi party were very clever. How they were clever? The Nazi government used language and media with great care, and they often to great effect also. So they were using their language. Their language means they were never using any harsh word in the media, so that people can get angry with them. So they were very effective in using their language with great care, and often to great effect also. You can see over here, they never use the words like kill or murder in their official communication. They have never used these words that I will kill the Jews or I will murder the Jews, we will finish the Jews. They haven't used these type of words in their official communication. So what they were using instead of that, they were not using all these things, but what they were using, let us see. Mass killings termed as special treatment. So what they were using the word special treatment, and which it means mass killings. Means if Adolf Hitler or his party members ordering special treatment for hundreds of people or thousands of people, then it means that special treatment means that they will be killed. All those thousands of people or hundreds of people will be killed. But they are not naming or using the word kill or murder. Instead, they are using the word special treatment. For the special treatment stands for mass killings. And if they find any Jews, then what the word that they are using for the Jews, they are using final solution for the Jews. That also means killing or murder, but they are not using the word kill or murder in their official communication. So if they want to kill or murder the Jews, they are using the word final solution for the Jews. Now see what is the word that they were using to kill the disabled person or the handicapped person. They were using the word euthanasia. Euthanasia is the word that they were using to kill the disabled persons or the handicapped persons. Even if they are Germans, they were also being killed. Even they are pure-blooded Nordic German Aryans, they will also be killed in the name of euthanasia program, because they are the burden on the country. They think the Nazi party were thinking that they are the burden on the country. They cannot do anything for the country, so they do not deserve to live in the country. They do not deserve to live in this world. So in the name of euthanasia program, they were killing those handicapped persons, disabled persons. And even they were using words like selection and disinfections. So you can see over here, my students, that they were very clever in using the words also in media as well as in official communications. They have never used the word kill or murder. Instead, they were using the terms such as special treatment, final solution, euthanasia, selection, and disinfections. If you remember, my dear students, then I would like to remind you about that particular boy who was in the story in the beginning. The name of the boy was and his father was killing the other members of the German in the name of euthanasia programs. Helmut was the name of the boy, and his father was involved in this euthanasia program. He was one of the member of the Nazi party. His father was one of the member of the euthanasia program, or you can say the Nazi party, and he was killing the disabled persons. And that's why he committed suicide when they realized that they are going to lose the Second World War. And that is the reason why Helmut's father committed suicide, and he wanted to commit suicide along with his family. but finally in the end he committed suicide only alone. So he was fearing that whatever he has done to the disabled persons of Germany, the others will do the same with him, and that was the reason he committed suicide. So evacuation, they were also using one word, evacuation, which means deporting people to the gas chamber, means sending people to the gas chambers. If they want someone to send some group of people to the gas chambers for killing them, then they were using the word evacuation. So you can see on the door, at the door of the gas chamber, it will be written as evacuation, as special treatment, final solution. No one would be knowing that that is a gas chamber and the people will be killed inside. Even you can see over here, media used to win support for the government and popularize its worldview also. So media was under control, was working under the control of Nazi party, and they were also using and trying to win support for the Nazi government. So you can say media was under control, you can say censorship was there, and even media was using and working for the Nazi party only. They were trying to get support from the people for the government, and even they were trying to popularize the view of the Nazi party also. So media was fully under control of Nazi party, or you can say Adolf Hitler. Nazi ideas spread through visual images. Yes, they were using advertisement to the last in large extent also. So they were using visual images, even they were using films, radio, posters. Let me show you one of the poster also, my dear students, so that you can see how they were just promoting their party, Nazi party, how they were promoting. You can see over here, there are two men. One of the men is having one hammer in his hand. That is showing that the labor are with the Nazi party, and the Nazi party are with the labor type of people also. You can see a Nazi party poster of the 1920s, and this is one of the poster of the Nazi party, which was going on in the year 1920s, and it asks workers to vote for Hitler, the front line worker. They were showing Hitler as the front line soldier, that Hitler is the front line soldier, who is the man who are you looking for. He is the man, Hitler is the man who will remove all your troubles, all your problems, will resolve all your problems. This is the thing that they are trying to show in the poster also. And they are saying that the Hitler party, Nazi party, is with the laborers, the poor people. Hitler has come to resolve all the issues of the poor people, labor class people. They were using catchy slogans also, and they were using leaflets. Leaflets, you might have you will be finding it, this type of leaflets in the newspaper many times. So they were using leaflet also. So you can see over here, German farmer. The first heading is German farmer, means they are just pointing this particular leaflet message to the German farmer, and what they are saying, the Hitler party, the Nazi party is saying to the German farmer that you belong to Hitler. And they are giving the reason. They are giving the reason over here why German farmers belong to Hitler. And he's saying the German farmer stands in between two great dangers today. They are just threatening. वो डराने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, है ना, farmers को. क्या कह रहे हैं? That you stand in between two great dangers. दो बड़े danger आपके सामने में है. Farmers को डराया जा रहा है ये कहकर. और वो क्या danger है? Number one, the one danger, American economic system, big capitalism. यानी अमेरिका के लोग जो है, foreigners जो यहाँ रह रहे हैं, and the Americans, that they are having control over Germany also. So they are the people with big capital. बड़े पूंजीपति वो लोग हैं, वो लोग बहुत पैसे वाले हैं. So you cannot stand, you cannot compete with those big capitalist people. Germany cannot compete with the American economic system, because they are the big capitalist people. They have a lot of money. And the other threat that they were threatening the farmers, the other is the Marxist economic system of Bolshevism, and that is another type of group of people. Those who were having a lot of money, and they are having strong economic system also. So big capitalism and Bolshevism. Bolshevism, that is one of the group of people that were against the Hitler also. They were also against Hitler and they were following another type of religion. So they are saying that Bolshevik working hand, they are born of Jewish thought. The Hitler party is just saying, they are saying that these people, these American capitalist people, even the Bolshevism, they are born of Jewish thought. इन लोगों का thought, इन लोगों का सोच कैसा है? ये लोग Jewish लोगों की तरह सोचते हैं. And सब the master plan of world Jewry. और वो क्या कह रहा है नाजी पार्टी कि इन लोगों का एक मास्टर प्लान है यानी पूरे जर्मनी पर कब्जा करने का. Who alone can rescue the farmer from these dangers? Now the topic is, now there is a twist. They are saying who alone, कौन अकेला आप लोगों को इस सारी मुसीबतों से निकाल सकता है? Who alone can rescue the farmers from these two type of dangers? And they are saying that national socialism, and they are saying that you belong to Hitler. They are saying that only Hitler can rescue the farmers from these dangers. And this is a Nazi leaflet in the year 1932. Just after this next year, Adolf Hitler got the position of the chancellorship. He got the offer of chancellorship of Germany from the president Hindenburg, just in the year 1933. So this they have done marketing, you can say. This is the marketing process that they have done to convince the citizen of Germany. जर्मन एनिमीज है ना, जर्मन के जो भी एनिमीज थे, दो भी दुश्मन थे, दे वर जस्ट स्टेरियोटाइप, दे वर टीज्ड, है ना, उनको छेड़ा जाता था. इवन दे वर अब्यूज्ड आल्सो, गालियां सुनाया जाता था. एंड इवन दे वर डिस्क्राइब्ड एज एविल इन पोस्टर्स में तो उनको दिखाया जाता था कि ये लोग जो कौन है, शैतान है, एविल है. जर्मन के एनिमीज जो भी थे, who were the enemies of the German? The Americans were the enemies, the Bolshevism, and even the Jews, and the Polish, the people from the Poland, people from the Egypt, means whoever were living in Germany except the Nordic Germanarians, everyone was enemy of the Germans, and they were just depicted in the posters as evil. सर देखते हैं posters को हम लोग, you can see over here in this poster, a Nazi poster attacking Jews. ये पोस्टर किसको अटैक कर रहा है? जीव्स को अटैक कर रहा है. एंड यू कैन सी ओवर हियर द लाइंस व्हिच आर रिटन, मनी इज द गॉड ऑफ जीव्स. व्हाट दे आर सेइंग टू द पीपल दैट जीव्स के लिए जो है पैसा ही खुदा है उनके लिए. द गॉड इज व्हाट? मनी. मनी इज द गॉड फॉर द जीव्स. एंड in order to earn money, the Jews can commit the greatest crimes. और पैसा कमाने के लिए Jews बड़ा से बड़ा जो है क्या कर सकते हैं, वो क्राइम कर सकते हैं. That is the thing that they are giving message to the people. And even is saying that Jews does not rest until he can sit on a big sack of money, until he has become the king of money. Yeah, you can see they are showing a sack of money. एक पैसे का भरा एक पोटला है. That is a sack of money, and they have make a Jews sack on that particular sack of money, and they are trying to show or convince the people that Jews live for the money only, and they cannot sit idle, and they cannot take rest until they become the king of money. And that is the meaning that they are showing. They are creating hatred for the Jews. They are effective, and they are really very successful in creating hatred for the Jews in Germany, like these things. They were just propagating all these things and spreading message among the people regarding all these things. They were using visual images, films, radios, posters, catchy slogans, leaflets, and they were even abusing them, stereotype them, teasing them, and using the posters also. So they were very successful in creating hatred for the Jews in Germany. Socialists and liberals are those persons who favor the protection of civil liberties. Civil liberties are those liberties which we enjoy in India, such as freedom of speech, freedom of expressing your views, also freedom to live in India. So this type of thought, the people who are having this type of thought, they are known as the liberals. So socialists and liberals, they represented as weak. इनको क्या बताया गया जर्मनी में कि ये लोग बहुत कमजोर हैं. These people are very weak. They are corrupt. and they were attacked as harmful foreign agent. और उन पर अटैक लोग करते थे यही कहकर कि ये लोग फॉरेनर्स है, they are harmful for the कंट्री ऑफ जर्मनी. तो सोशलिस्ट जो सोशल सोसाइटी के बारे में सोचते हैं, लिबरल्स है ना, इक्वलिटी, फ्रैटर्निटी, liberty, equality, freedom, those who thinks about this type of things, they were represented in Germany as weak and corrupt, and they were attacked as harmful foreign agents. प्रोपेगेंडा फिल्म्स मेड टू क्रिएट हेट्रेड फॉर द ज्यूज. इवन वो जो है फिल्म मूवी भी बनाते थे खास करके उनको चिढ़ाने के लिए, हेट्रेड पैदा करने के लिए ज्यूज के खिलाफ, टू क्रिएट हेट्रेड अगेंस्ट द ज्यूज. यू कैन सी द इटर्नल ज्यू, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द फिल्म, ये एक मूवी का नाम है. एंड आई हैव द पोस्टर फ्रॉम समवेयर, लेट मी शो यू दैट पोस्टर आल्सो. This is the poster from that particular propaganda film that is showing that these are the Jews, and you can see over here Star of David is there, है ना, Star of David भी बीच में है, and they are showing these people are the enemy of the Jews, enemy of the German people. इसमें सारे लोग include हैं, Americans are there, Jews are there, Polands and Gypsies are there, handicaps are there. So they are trying to create hatred for the Jews with the help of what? With the help of their propaganda films also, movies also. Jews were thrown with were shown with flowing beards, wearing kaftans, loose dress, है ना. Jews को वो लोग पोस्टर में कैसे दिखाते थे, बड़े बड़े दाढ़ियों के साथ, है ना, flowing beards, wearing kaftans. Kaftan means loose dress, और loose dress पहने हुए दिखाया जाता था उनको. And they were referred as vermin. Vermin means what? Harmful animal. उनको दिखाया जाता था कि ये जीव्स जो है ये हमारे लिए क्या है, हार्मफुल एनिमल है. हार्मफुल एनिमल लाइक रैट्स एंड राइस एंड लाइक अदर पेस्ट. रैट्स और पेस्ट को हम लोग क्या करते हैं घर में, या तो भगा देते हैं, अदरवाइज वी किल देम विद द हेल्प ऑफ पॉइजन. सो दे वर जस्ट ट्रीटिंग द जीव्स लाइक द हार्मफुल एनिमल लाइक रैट्स एंड पेस्ट, एंड देयर मूवमेंट्स कंपेयर्ड टू एज रोडेंट्स. और उनके मूवमेंट्स को क्या बताया जाता था, रोडेंट्स. रोडेंट्स वो जो बहुत बदबूदार होते हैं, बहुत स्मेल बैड करते हैं ना. सो वैसे एनिमल्स को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अपने घरों से निकाल दिया जाता है या मार दिया जाता है. सो दे वर कंपेयर्ड एज रोडेंट्स फॉर जर्मनी. तो आप देख सकते हैं कितना नफरत फैलाया जा रहा है. दे आर जस्ट स्प्रेडिंग हेट्रेड अमंग फॉर द ज्यूज, हेट्रेड फॉर द ज्यूज, हेट्रेड अगेंस्ट द ज्यूज. यू कैन सी Nazism worked on the minds of the people, and that is the great thing. That is why they were very successful, that they were working on the mind of the people. यानी लोग जो चाहते थे वही जो है ये पार्टी भी बोला करता था. The party was saying the same thing, was promising the same thing what the people were looking for. And they were just playing with the minds of the people. They were controlling their emotions, and they turned their hatred and anger towards those marked as undesirable. जो भी नाजी पार्टी के खिलाफ थे, लोगों को ये लोग जो है उनके खिलाफ कर दिया करते थे. They were just using their emotions, their mind. They were playing with the mind of the people. They were controlling their emotions, and they were turning the hatred and anger of the people towards all the enemies of the Nazi party, whom they considered as undesirable. जिसको वो undesirable भी मानते थे, लोगों को उसके खिलाफ कर दिया करते थे. Nazis won people's support by suggesting that they alone could solve all their problems. देखो कैसे वो लोगों का सपोर्ट जीतते थे. They were saying, they were propagating things, they were just giving this statement that they are alone the people who can solve all the problems of the common people. Nazi party and their members can alone solve all the problems of the common people of Germany. They were just giving this message to the people, and that is the reason, that is why they were very effective in creating hatred for the Jews and winning the support of the people. This is the reason, that is why they were just winning the support of the people. So, my dear students, next topic is about the reaction of the common people to Nazism. Now, we have seen the reaction of the Nazi party, what they were doing, we have seen about their actions also. Now we have to see about the reaction of the common people. Common people, यानी आम लोग क्या सोचते थे? What they were thinking about? Let us see. Germans saw the world through Nazi eyes and their mind spoke the Nazi language. तो इस तरीके से चेंज कर दिया गया था that the Germans, the reaction of the common people to Nazism, the Germans were seeing the world through the Nazi eyes only. जो नाजी उनको दिखाते थे नाजी पार्टी जर्मन के लोगों को वही जर्मन के लोग देखते थे. That was the thing, the reaction of the common people. They were seeing the world with the Nazi eyes. They have supposed that such as they have lost their own eyes, their mind also. They were just speaking and they were just doing all the actions according to the Nazi party. They were speaking the language of the Nazi party. So the people were completely and fully changed. They felt hatred, they felt anger flow inside them whenever they saw someone who looked like a Jew. जब भी कोई Jew का तरह दिखता था वो लोग उनके लिए क्या उनके दिल में नफरत पैदा हो जाता था. They were just having hatred and anger flow inside them whenever they saw a man like a Jew. तो इस टाइप का नफरत फैल चुका था जर्मनी में. They marked the houses of the Jews and they reported them as doubtful neighbors. है ना, they were marking their houses. उनके घर को लोग मार्क कर देते थे. They were putting that Star of David and reporting them to the government that they are doubtful neighbors. कि ये लोग doubtful है, ये लोग Jews लोग हैं, ये हमारे खिलाफ काम करने वाले हैं. They believed that Nazism would bring prosperity and Nazism only can improve general well-being. They were believing कि Nazism जो है वो prosperity ला सकता है, सभी लोगों को खुशहाल कर सकता है, खुश कर सकता है, and Nazism can only improve the general well-being of all the people. This was the reaction of the common people. यानी लोग भी जो है नाजी पार्टी की तरफ हो चुके थे. They were just supporting the Nazi party with full effort. But not every German was a Nazi. Many organized active refusal to Nazism. But what they faced crushing and death by the police. तो बहुत सारे लोग जो है उनके खिलाफ भी रिएक्ट किए. You might be thinking कि why people were not reacting against. So there were few people who were reacting against the propaganda of Nazi party. But even what happened, they organized some active refusal. They refused to act according to the Nazi party and they faced crushing and death by the police. That was the fate. The large majority of Germans, however, were passive spectators and witnesses. Large majority of Germans क्या थे? वो सिर्फ spectator और witness थे. वो सिर्फ देखते थे. They do not do anything. They were too scared to act, to differ, to protest. वो इतने डरे हुए थे कि वो कोई एक्शन भी नहीं लेते थे, कोई डिफरेंस बात भी नहीं बोल कहते थे, ना तो प्रोटेस्ट करते थे. They were too scared. डरे हुए भी थे and they were supporting also. They were too scared to act, differ and protest. So that is all in this class, my dear students. We will again complete our lesson in the next class. That's all. Thank you. Stay at home and stay safe, my